Hello friends, welcome back to my new video. So in this video I bought for you Lapstar OTG Hub. So let's unbox it. So here is the big size of USB port. Here is a micro pin and here is a type C. So first plug your pen drive. And then connect to your phone like this. So next connect to your phone like this. And here I plugged. And next I plug my MacBook. Here you can see he's rejected. Here you can see he will rejected. Thank you for watching. I will back in next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.